Let's dive into what makes Ikos Odisia one of Greece's most talked about luxury destinations. Nestled on the stunning Halkidiki Peninsula in Sithonia, this 5-star all-inclusive resort opened its doors in 2021 and has quickly become a favorite among travelers seeking the perfect blend of modern luxury and authentic Greek hospitality. From the moment you step foot on this property, you'll understand why guests consistently rate it over 9 out of 10 on major booking platforms. The resort's philosophy centers around their infinite lifestyle concept, which promises guests a seamless experience where every detail is thoughtfully considered and effortlessly delivered. When it comes to accommodations, Ikos Odisia doesn't mess around. The resort offers 4 distinct room categories, each designed with contemporary Mediterranean flair and spacious layouts that make you feel right at home. Starting with the deluxe garden view rooms, these 45 square meter sanctuaries feature either king or twin beds, a comfortable seating area, and a private balcony or terrace overlooking the resort's lush gardens. Every room comes equipped with modern amenities including air conditioning, flat-screen television, minibar, Nespresso machine, free Wi-Fi, safe, luxurious bathrobes, slippers, and premium toiletries. The maximum occupancy is 3 adults or 2 adults with 1 child, making these rooms perfect for small families or couples who appreciate extra space. What really sets these rooms apart is their thoughtful design featuring neutral tones, natural wood accents, and floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. For those willing to spend a bit more, the deluxe sea view rooms offer the same amenities and layout but with breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea from your private balcony. The Junior Suite Sea View takes things up a notch with 55 square meters of space, including a separate living area, enhanced minibar, and larger bathroom with a bathtub. These suites can accommodate up to 3 adults or 2 adults with 2 children. The crown jewel of accommodations is the family suite, spanning an impressive 70 to 80 square meters with 2 bedrooms, a living area, and either garden or sea view options. These suites are specifically designed for families and can house up to 5 guests comfortably, featuring child-friendly amenities and extra privacy that parents will definitely appreciate. The dining scene at Ikos Odisia is nothing short of spectacular, with multiple venues that cater to every palate and occasion. The Olive Grove serves as the resort's fine dining establishment, focusing on Mediterranean cuisine that showcases the best of local Greek ingredients. Open for dinner from 7 to 10:30 in the evening, this elegant restaurant requires smart casual attire and can accommodate up to 120 guests. The menu highlights include fresh seafood, perfectly grilled meats, and traditional Greek mesas that will transport your taste buds straight to culinary heaven. They even host weekly Greek nights complete with live music that adds an authentic cultural touch to your dining experience. For a more relaxed atmosphere, Blue Horizon offers beachfront casual dining with international and Mediterranean options. This venue operates for both lunch and dinner, serving everything from fresh salads and sandwiches to expertly prepared fish dishes and creative cocktails. The open-air setting provides stunning sea views, and the casual dress code means you can come straight from the beach without worrying about changing clothes. The wine cellar offers a more intimate experience, functioning as both a wine bar and tapas venue where Greek wines are expertly paired with small plates featuring local cheeses, cured meats, and olives. This cozy 50-person capacity venue operates from 5 in the evening until 11 at night and regularly hosts wine tasting evenings that wine enthusiasts absolutely rave about. The rustic interior with wine racks and candlelight creates the perfect ambience for a romantic evening or intimate gathering with friends. Finally, the pool bar and swim-up bar keep the refreshments flowing throughout the day, serving light bites, cocktails, and smoothies from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. Weekend pool parties add an extra element of fun to your stay, making this the perfect spot to socialize and meet fellow travelers. The pool and beach facilities at Ikos Odisia are truly impressive, featuring 3 distinct outdoor pools that cater to different preferences and age groups. The stunning infinity pool stretches 25 meters in length with a depth of 1.4 meters, creating the perfect spot for serious swimming or simply floating while taking in the incredible views. The family pool measures 20 meters long with varying depths from half a meter to 1.2 meters, making it ideal for children and families to enjoy together safely. The adults-only pool provides a more serene environment for those seeking peace and quiet, measuring 15 meters long with a depth of 1.3 meters and featuring a swim-up bar where you can enjoy cocktails without ever leaving the water. All pools operate seasonally from April to October, with operating hours from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening. Poolside services include complimentary towel service and waiter service for drinks and snacks, ensuring you never have to leave your comfortable lounger unless you want to. The resort's private beach stretches approximately 300 meters along crystal-clear waters, providing guests with plenty of space to spread out and enjoy the Mediterranean sun. Beach services include sunbeds, umbrellas, towel service, and a dedicated beach bar, while water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment. The sandy beach with its pristine waters creates the perfect environment for both relaxation and active water-based fun, making it easy to spend entire days switching between pool and beach activities. Activity options at Ikos Odisia cater to every energy level and interest, ensuring that guests never run out of engaging things to do during their stay. The fully equipped fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, featuring modern cardio machines including treadmills and bikes, free weights, and resistance machines for those who want to maintain their workout routine while on vacation. Personal training sessions and group classes including yoga and Pilates are available for guests who prefer structured fitness activities or want to try something new. The resort regularly organizes entertainment throughout the week, including live Greek music nights that showcase local talent and cultural traditions, DJ sets that keep the energy high during evening hours, and beach parties that create memorable social experiences for guests of all ages. Seasonal events add special touches throughout the year, with Easter celebrations, summer festivals, and Christmas events that provide unique cultural experiences depending on when you visit. These activities create opportunities for guests to immerse themselves in Greek culture while enjoying the luxury amenities of the resort, striking the perfect balance between relaxation and engagement. The spa and wellness facilities at Ikos Odisia provide a comprehensive range of treatments and services designed to rejuvenate both body and mind during your stay. Operating from 10 in the morning until 8 in the evening, the spa offers an extensive menu of treatments including massages, facials, body scrubs, and holistic therapies that incorporate both modern techniques and traditional Greek elements. Their signature treatments include the Greek olive oil massage, which uses locally sourced olive oil known for its nourishing properties, and thalassotherapy treatments that harness the healing power of seawater and marine elements. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, relaxation lounges, and multiple treatment rooms, creating a tranquil environment where guests can escape from the outside world and focus on their well-being. The serene atmosphere and professional staff ensure that every spa experience feels personalized and therapeutic. Booking treatments in advance is highly recommended, either through the front desk or online, as the spa's reputation for excellence means appointments fill up quickly, especially during peak season. The wellness philosophy at Ikos Odisia extends beyond the spa, with the resort's design and amenities all contributing to a sense of overall well-being and relaxation that guests notice from the moment they arrive. Families traveling with children will find Ikos Odisia exceptionally well-equipped to handle the needs and interests of younger guests through their comprehensive kids club and family-friendly amenities. The kids club operates daily from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening, providing supervised activities that include arts and crafts projects, sports activities, and educational programs that teach children about Greek culture and history in fun, engaging ways. The dedicated children's area features age-appropriate facilities and equipment, while trained staff members ensure that kids are safe, entertained, and learning throughout their participation. The family pool includes a special splash area designed specifically for younger children, allowing them to play safely in shallow water while parents relax nearby. Family suites are thoughtfully designed with child-friendly amenities and extra space that gives families room to spread out and maintain some privacy when needed. The resort's restaurants accommodate children with kid-friendly menu options and high chairs, while the beach and pool areas provide safe environments for children to play and explore under parental supervision. The combination of supervised activities and family-friendly facilities means that parents can enjoy both quality time with their children and opportunities for adult relaxation, creating the perfect balance for a successful family vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.